Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Big Stick Stangs. One way or another, black Foxbodies seem to find their way to Big Stick Stangs. Would you look at that? I love the grill delete. The rims are awesome. 5.0 5-speed car. This is not the same car, as you can tell by the wheels. If you look at that stance, oh my goodness. You got 285 35s under the back. Some 3-inch flow tailpipes. Beautiful car. Been doing some work on her for a friend. All right, another car with black interior. Seats have been swapped. I think New Edge or SN95. The power works. Look at the gauges. Gauges, baby. What do you guys think of the hood? And I have never seen a cowl panel like that, ever. Never seen that. Check out these quarter windows. They're in excellent condition. Cups there. Very nice. Okay, here's a look under the hood. It's factory stock, except for the alternator upgrade. Got the big wired MSD ignition. Make spark disappear. Does have the Cobra booster. Caster camber plates has got lower tubular control arms and coilovers.